Every stronghold shall be broken. Zakukola gutabula butabuzi. Nzija mu nsujju. Tugenda zanika zikale. Then tujja zisiika. Ng'ebinyeebwa tuzirye.
Bilinga ebinyeebwa. Bifuuka ebinyeebwa.
Biwuma ng'ebinyeebwa.
Bifuuka ebinyeebwa.
Tebifuuka binyeebwa just babirenga bwe bali ebinyeebwa bye basiise.
Omoliddeko okwera.
Sinali akwagala kulya kwoli. Kalinde kawole. Leta akasowaani. Bulinde buwole. Nte tunateekako munno. I'm not sure. It keeps doing that sound as if popcorn. I'm not sure how they put salt, but I'm going to use the method they use for groundnuts, roasted groundnuts. A bit of salt in really little water, and you just pour that in there and stir and hope that every bit of them gets. Nushka couldn't wait till morning. I wanted to wait in the morning. Let me also taste. It actually tastes good. I think I last ate them as a kid or a teenager. My mom used to make them at home.
Hi guys, I have news. I have exciting news. Oh my god, my travel company is officially registered. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. The thing that I've been so scared of doing, like I just don't know. With all the travel that I've done, with all the people that I've helped plan things, those that I helped in private, those that I helped as an actual travel planner, I was just so scared of starting this. I was just so scared. I had a million excuses, but over time, with the journey of working on myself and trusting God and relying on God, I have finally done it. I have finally done it. Oh my god, guys. Let me introduce to you Cozy Travels Limited, a travel company based in Uganda that is going to help you plan your trips in Uganda, East Africa. We are going to start with East Africa, Uganda, Kenya, Burundi, Rwanda, and over time we are going to add other countries. And oh my god, so everyone who has been asking to travel with me, everyone who has been asking, Nabs, when are you organizing and we go with you? This is the thing, this is it, because I'll do group trips and private trips, private customized trips. Basically someone reaching out and they're like, we are 10 people, we want to go here and here, plan this for us. So before I even say a lot, I'm putting the IG handle here on the screen. Please go and follow. I'm also going to put the business WhatsApp number here on the screen. Please add it, save it as Cozy Travels Limited, in brackets, put Nabs Ara, so that if anyone ever asks you if you know a travel company, you do not forget. And if when you save my number, feel free to say hi, so that I save yours and then we can see each other's statuses. Oh my god, I am so excited. Thank you so much, Jesus. Thank you so much for giving me the courage to do this. Let me tell you, first of all, I registered a company with someone and it just became a whole thing that could not work out anymore. That was literally last month. And then this April, I got the idea to just register afresh, a new company. And I started to brainstorm names. And I had a list of names, but what I went through in the first process, it was actually quite hard to choose a name. I originally thought my travel company would be called Nabs Ara Travel, but I wished when I was registering, there are other travel companies that have quite similar words. It's not really Nabs Ara, but quite similar. And so those names were denied. So I took like 2 weeks trying to come up with names, and I feel like I dragged with that process. So on Saturday, on Friday I was just like, you know what, let's do this. Was it Friday? Saturday? Thursday? I don't know. Today is Today is actually 29th April, a Monday. So I think on Thursday, I booked the name. I was just like, because first you reserve the name. I was just like, let me give 3 names that I have, the top one, because the list had like 10 names, guys. I was just like, let me give the top 3 that I have. If they accept one, well and good. If they don't, I add them, the other 3 from the list. So I did. They immediately accepted Cozy Travels. It was reserved. And then I went on to the registration process. So the first time I registered, I worked with someone who turned out to be so shady and asked for a lot of money. Literally, I've spent half of what they asked for, and I've added extra things that they didn't even do for me. So I would say that the first process where I relied on someone taught me something, because I reserved the name myself, but then I went ahead to ask someone to register for me. I was just scared. I really thought I wouldn't know the thing. I thought I had to go out, look for the forms, and there's a person who made it seem like I can't do it without a lawyer. Guys, if you're planning to register a company in Uganda, it's not hard. Literally go to URSB, type into Google URSB, Uganda company registration. URSB platform will come up. There is the OBRS platform. Create an account, go to name check a name if it's available, reserve it. They will ask you for 30,000 to reserve. I think you can pay via bank, via mobile money, use mobile money. And when that's done, if they approve the name, you go ahead. If they don't, you don't pay again, but you keep updating and giving them different number options until they choose one. And when that's done, they'll literally show you they'll put fire button register. So you just tap it and follow the steps. The forms are in there. Literally, guys, it wasn't that hard. Honestly, it wasn't that hard. So I ended up doing it myself on Saturday, which was 27th. And I started the process. So today, 29th of April, will be the anniversary of Cozy Travels. Oh my God, every year on 29th April, we'll come together and celebrate the fact that we're helping people travel. So I'm thinking my catch line will be Cozy Travels Limited. Let's get you relaxed. Guys, was it Sunday? Guys, I'm confusing the days so much, but I think Sunday, I spent the whole day. It wasn't Sunday, it was Saturday. Yeah, because on Saturday, that's when I filled in the forms, sent all of them in, made the payments. And then on Saturday, on that very day in the afternoon, I spent the whole day coming up with logo ideas. And I'm going to put on screen what I currently have. I think we're going to go with this for now because I don't want to overthink it. I might just end up backing out. But guys, it is finally done. It's official. We are going to be traveling together. Oh my God, my hand is even shaking. We are going to be traveling together. And I'm just at your service. Tell everyone you know that Nabs Ara has an official registered company. You can now work with her to plan for your trips and all that around the country. I'm so excited to get into this, to help you guys travel, to just make it easier for you. Oh my God. She is a full company director, y'all. Now the goal is to make this a success. I'm literally still a one-man company, but I'm excited. I have to do all the marketing, I have to research. Above all, I'm taking this to good. Guys, let me tell you, like I said in like a previous vlog, I am done relying on my own understanding. Everything I am deciding with God. Everything I am praying about. Like I had a business before, the thrift shop. If those of you that have followed me for a while know. And literally, the moment things got a little bit hard like this, I ran. I've been a runner. I've been filled with fear. I've been filled with anxiety. But God has delivered me from all those things. And so I feel like a brand new person, and I feel like I have a fresh new life. And so I'm excited to see what I do with Jesus holding my hand. Oh my God, guys, I am so excited. So yes, that's the update. Please follow the page. Add me on WhatsApp as I start to put together things, as I start to plan and see what we can do this year.
I ended up drying my rosemary. Anushka. I first kept it in the fridge, but then I was like, because I can still use it to make rosemary water for my hair even when it's dry, so I just tried it. I want to try it in this cafe raw. Linda sinasanikira. Kototabule gawegendereza. Mpola mpola tuyiwamu. Yeah, otabula kweli. Leka nkulage. Tokolaba obusitero nza bukola butabula. Ekasukondo omujeo.
This is how they make juice with watermelon.
And what?
Only watermelon.
Watermelon and beetroot.
And beetroot.
And water.
And water.
We are going to add 1 orange and 1 lemon.
Lemon. They blend.
Yes. Kawegendereza. This is the tin where I was keeping the cookies. When they got done, we're not using it for juice until we get storage containers. For liquids, I actually want to blend pineapple and carrots next. I don't know what this combination is going to taste like, but I don't even have where I'm going to store it. Maybe I'll just store it in this. We don't have containers, but this is how this has turned out. What did I want? I wanted to say that I don't put sugar in this. When I first made it, I was worried that Nush would not take it, but she took it and liked it. So yeah, we are taking it without sugar at all. I would say that the lemon gives it a bit of a tangy taste, which balances out everything, because watermelon and beetroot alone has a kind of weird taste. Also, you want to use very little beetroot because it has a strong, should I say, scent, which is a bit weird and kind of hard to balance out. It also comes off in the taste, it's not just color. So you want to use very little of it. And yes, get all the fruits is okay.
Another fruit soka.
Mazima. Uchari.
Yeah.
This is the dessert.
Even this one can open. This one. Mama.
I've seen it. adding a bit of water because it's becoming hard to blend. I am worried about this combination. I hope it tastes great. I hope it tastes great. And I think I put a lot of carrots. It's like a smoothie.
Smoothie?
I'm going to add more water. Should I? Shouldn't I?
Every stone must be broken.
Every high thing must come down.
Okay. Every high thing must come down. Every stone must be broken.
Every stronghold.
Every stronghold must be broken.
Every high thing must come down. Every stronghold must be broken. Here. Oh, I need to add water. It's too thick.
Thick? You have overcome. You have overcome. Hallelujah. Jesus, you have
Overcome the one. Every high thing must come down. Every stronghold must be broken. You wear the victor's crown. You overcome. You overcome. Every high thing must come down. Every stronghold shall be broken. You wear the victor's crown. You overcome. You overcome. Gonalya sapa ku fruits z'olidde. Omukkuto gukulimu.
Ati ndidde bbiri zokka.
Olidde ne oranges. And it has no sugar. I just feel so good when the juice is just natural and we don't have to add sugar. I think we only add sugar in passion fruit juice for now because it's so tangy. It needs sugar to be balanced out.
Bye.
The only thing you want to say all the time is bye. Later to take him. I was thinking that I might have to add lemon or orange, but it's good for now.
Mama, what do you win? Mama, what do you win? When we're gonna see?
Amazina?
Yeah.
Tulage lindako. Wagalabidde waago. Wagalabidde ku laptop.
No?
Ogayiyiza. Mwana goyiya amazina. Ogenda ganjigiriza mwana gwe. Katumale okukola juice wano wulidde. Oganjigirize. It is so orangey. Like Mama, you might think leka nkutere mu kikopo.
It is the cup.
Kitukula.
Yeah.
Both the pineapple and the carrot have a lot of pulp, so I guess that's why I even thought I needed to add more water, but I think it was just fine before I added the last bit of water.